In today's video, I'm going to be giving away a free ebook, which is going to teach you how to create a six-figure income online using a thing called automated funnels and multiple income streams. So what I'm going to share with you is how to get access to that ebook. You can grab it below for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but I'm also going to be sharing with you how to actually copy our done for you sales funnel, which is going to pay you from 4 different income streams. Some of them even pay up to $2,000 and some of them up to $5,000 and $6,000. So there's tons of income that can be made with this, but it doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg to get started. I'm going to show you how you can actually get started with this on a budget so that anybody, no matter your skill level, no matter your wallet, you can get started and then you can build this and grow as you start generating some income. So let's jump over to my screen and I'll show you how to get this free ebook. Alright guys, if it's your first time stopping by, my name is Dylan DeFazio. This is the Six Figure Marketers Club, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online, and the thing that we're going to be talking about today is the No BS Blueprint. This is a free ebook done by Mac Miller, and he is also the creator of the multiple income funnel. Now, the multiple income funnel is something new. I just got started with it not too long ago, and we're slowly trucking away at it and generating some leads, okay? We're total generated 40 leads so far. I do have a traffic campaign running to this No BS ebook funnel, and I'll show you how I actually did that in this video. So make sure, if you guys want to see more training videos like this, if you guys go on to enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me get this video out to as many people as possible, and hit that subscribe button if you guys are, interested in making money online and you want to learn more and see more videos from me. All right, so very simple to get this ebook. All you have to do is just head over. There's the link in the description below. You can grab this. It'll ask you to enter in your name and email, and then it's going to actually redirect you over to this video. Now, this video is just a short video from Mac Miller. He's going to be able to download your ebook right here, and then immediately download this, no cost copy of the blueprint, right? Discover how to plug into a proven automated system that does all the selling and telling for you. That's the multiple income funnel, which I'll go over here, closer to the end of this video. So if you want to see the actual system that he's talking about, right, you can go out and create these systems, right? Or you can copy systems that, these 6-figure, 7-figure earners, 8-figure earners are creating and leverage their sales funnels to make money. Okay, so that's what we're doing here with the multiple income funnel. So the 3 critical components needed in order to be successful online. He's going to talk about those. Why MSI is the easiest and fastest path to profit. Now, the MSI system is working for a lot of people. There's a lot of people that are waking up with thousands of dollars already earned from the system. Now, unfortunately, I haven't earned any money just yet. We've only got about 40 leads, right? But the system is doing the follow-up for you. And the thing about this is it's going to take 7 to 10 times of them seeing this sales funnel. So, the system could be following up with these leads for months, and 30 days down the road, these leads that signed up 30 days ago, now they're actually ready to buy, right? I have a lot of people that are interested, but they just don't have the funds to get started right away. And I want to share with you in this video that you don't need a crazy amount to get started. You can probably get started on the very low end for like maybe $100 or so with some traffic going in. You're not going to have all of the income streams unlocked, but you will be able to start earning and get everything set up. So we'll go over that here at the end of this video. But again, you can just download your free ebook right here. And then it's also going to log those leads into your actual system. So anybody that goes through the funnel, they're going to get the free ebook, which is going to bring them back to the multiple income funnel. And they're also going to become a lead so that the system can follow up for them, right? These lead capture pages are great. They're very high converting as well. But the thing about free is people love free stuff, and especially a free ebook. It's something so simple that you can give away. So even if you're posting online, you can be like, hey guys, who wants access to a free ebook, which is going to teach you how to make 6 figures in the next 6 months, right? So it's a pretty juicy free ebook, I would say. So if we go over here, we check it out, like we've got tons of traffic going through. I'm tracking and testing some cheaper methods, right? Because, you know, I just don't have the funds to invest into getting a big traffic package right now. So we're just working with it, you know, using free YouTube, using all these other free methods so that we can generate a sale. And then once we generate that sale, then we're going to actually use those commissions to go ahead and purchase a traffic package. Okay, so I have this solo ad going right now. We've got 58 out of 100 clicks, 18 leads, and 1 person to the video sales letter. Okay, now if you see here, this bottom one is people that are coming back to the system from emails, right? So you've had another 3 people from the emails alone hit those VSLs, right? So as that number continues to grow, this is most likely where you're going to see your sales come through the actual follow-up of the system, okay? So we've had that happen for this one as well, my Crypto Pros banner. Now, if you don't know what Crypto Pros is, it's just a crypto program which allows you to purchase different packages, and each package gives you a banner ad, a login ad, and a text ad. Okay, so if you guys want, you know, a video on that, let me know in the comments below, and you know, I can do a video going over Crypto Pros. But that's a you know, that's something we can get into at a later date. But you can create all your tracking links inside the system, so it makes it very, very simple. Now let's jump into how you can actually get started for very, very cheap. Okay, so if we actually just pull up the calculator here, so we're just going to do some basic math here. Now, the mandatory thing that you need to do is the $49 per month to get access to the multiple income funnel. Okay, so we're going to do $49, right? That's going to get you into this back office. It's going to get you the system, all the landing pages, and everything that you need to do. Okay, so 49 bucks. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go into our income streams. Now, income stream number 2, Easy One Up has a $25 offer. Okay, so if you were to only get the $25 offer, just to, so we plus the 25, I would personally recommend, right, getting the 100, the 250, or the 500. Those are going to be the best bang for your bucks because you're going to get products that are below it included when you purchase it. So if you get the 100, you're going to be able to earn those $25 commissions as well. If you get the 250, you're going to be able to earn the 100 and the 25. So I'm at the 500, so whichever one that you want to get to. So if we do that, that's $74 right there, just with the 25, right? TextBot, I don't have active yet, right? I'm waiting for sales to come through the system because they're going to have to hit income stream number 1 in order to, you know, go through and purchase all of these. So as long as, you know, once I start getting a few people that are joining income stream number 1, that's when I'm going to go ahead and get TextBot because I want to be positioned for when those sales come through. Okay, as you're building your list and as you're sending traffic, right now the only thing I care about is income stream number 1 and income stream number 2. Now the other thing that I care about is traffic authority because you want your reseller's license. Okay, so your reseller's license is, I believe, $29, or no, it's $25. So plus $25, that's going to put us at $99. Okay. So $99, that will get you access, and the reason you want to get your resellers for traffic authority is because when you actually, you know, when people go to traffic authority, you can either qualify to earn commissions by buying or selling traffic. So once you sell a certain amount of traffic, you're going to be qualified to earn when people purchase these different packages. So that's one reason why we get income stream number 4 right away. TextBot, that's what we're going to do once we get, you know, 1 or 2 people in through the system, right? We'll have a 50-50 shot of them getting income stream number 3. So we want to position ourselves to make sure we're getting those $100 commissions. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So in total, you can get started for $99. Now, I went ahead and purchased 100 clicks from a site called Udemy. Now, if we go over here, go to Udemy, this is somewhere where I've been purchasing traffic for a very long time, okay? I've been purchasing traffic since like 2016, right? I've bought 100, or where are we here? So these are all my previous orders, okay? So if we go here, we see I've got 53 of my 100 clicks. This costed me $43. So if we put in $43 here, boom, 142. So 142 is the minimum investment if you want to go ahead and purchase traffic, or it's that $99 that is your baseline. But you can get started for $100. You can get this funnel, and then like I said, once you start getting those commissions in, you want to actually fully position yourself. Now, what would be the 100%, what I would recommend if you wanted to get started? So what I would do is I would do the $49, right, plus your $500, okay? So your $500 will get you into stage 4, I believe, of Easy One Up, right? So that's going to equal $549. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to still get that reseller package at your $25. That's going to put you at $574. And if you decide to get TextBot, we'll just throw that in here. Another $100. Boom. Oh, what did I do? So 524 plus 100. That's going to put you at 624. Now the base package of Traffic Authority, this is probably going to be your best bang for your buck because you're going to get a very, very high conversion rate from this traffic. It is insane. I used to send it to other funnels, back in the day, but it's really crazy. But it is $220 for the base package. So if we add on $220, so you're now looking at $844 to get started, at that base level where you're kind of medium entry, right? You're not super high entry where you're, $2,000, but your medium entry, this is where you're going to be able to, earn $500 commissions. You're going to be able to earn $100 commissions. Okay, so now if we flip it around, how much can we actually make, right? So if somebody comes into the system, they pay the $49, you make $20 per month, right? Pretty cool. If somebody comes into Easy One Up and they pay the $500 level, you earn $500, okay? Awesome. Now, if somebody joins TextBot, you earn $100, okay? And if somebody was to buy the $220 package of Traffic Authority, I believe the commission is 50%. So I'm just going to put 110. So 110, so 730. So you invest $844, you get one person that goes through and signs up at the exact same rate that you did, and you make $730. Boom. So the power of the system is very, very crazy, but you have to be patient and you have to be willing to send traffic and, go a few days without sales, right? Maybe I make 5 or 6 videos before the first sale comes through. That's completely fine, right? It's going to, it's going to stack up in the end, because once you start to make sales, you're going to be able to get traction. Those leads, you're going to be able to leverage off of your sales and then promote that back to your leads, okay? Now, one thing that you want to focus on as well is your get response. So you can get 30 days free of get response. There'll be a link in the description. And what you can do is you can actually upload your leads from the multiple income funnel into your Aweber, right? So every time I run a traffic campaign, I input my leads into get response, and then I can actually follow up with those leads. Sorry, phone's going off. I can actually follow up with those leads on a daily basis, and that way, say I make a video like the one that you're watching now, I can send it to, send those leads from my email list to this video to get it more views, to get it more traction, and to potentially, make a sale from that, okay? So what you want to do is you want to replicate what's working. This is what everybody else is doing. They're building their following, they're doing YouTube, and they're buying traffic, okay? So those are the 3 things that we want to focus on. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you made it this far, please take 2 seconds, right? Just go give it a thumbs up. I really, really appreciate it. And I thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. So that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, Dylan Afazio here with the 6 Figure Marketers Club. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.